What's up, everybody? I'm Coach Zach here at Criticalbench, and in this video we'll be breaking down an iconic yoga pose, dancer's pose. There's a lot of things going on in this posture. You're really working on your balance because you're standing on one leg, really working on opening up your hip, strengthening your legs, as well as shifting your weight forward in a one-legged position. A lot of stuff going on, so I'll be breaking it down and showing you how to properly do it. Let's get it. Dancer's pose. So starting in dancer's pose, I always like to have my students kind of close their eyes, shift weight into that foot that they'll be standing on. In this case, standing on our right leg. Really spreading through the toes. You can even use a visualization by closing your eyes and visualizing that leg, that foot growing roots and grounding you into the earth like a tree. It's a visualization that really will help you stay balanced. Now from here, the first step is to stand nice and tall and then to kick that opposite leg and then grab that foot. Now there's different ways you can grab it. You can grab it this way. I like to take it with a supinated grip, grabbing it around, just because it helps open up your shoulder a little bit more and keep it open. From here, you'll extend that other arm up, find that pelvic tilt, and then from here, before you begin to lean forward, step one is to kick that foot into your hand, to really try to get that foot as far away from you as possible. Now, before we move on, I also want to address something that I see a lot. When students come into dancers, they open up their hip and they let their knee kind of fall to the side. You don't want that. You want your knee and your hip to be in a straight line as you go back, right? So don't open up that hip. Now, from here, foot, reach that arm up, kick that foot as far away, and then from here, you're gonna begin to lean forward, keep kicking that foot up, keep lifting everything up high. Again, not letting that hip open up, keeping it in line with your knee. Lean, 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 lean. And if you wanna add a little spice to it, you can do my version, hitting a little boom, bicep flex. Make sure you keep lifting, keep rising, keep breathing. That's dancer pose. Now you might have seen that and been like, there's no way that I'm doing that. That's fine. I got a beginner version for you. Right? So the beginner version, basically the first step. Plant that foot down, kick that foot up into your hand, reach that arm up, and then just stay here, right? Chill out here, maybe start working on kicking that foot away from you, and then this is where you can stay. The next step of shifting weight forward is really hard, it can be advanced, so just work on feeling stable here and breathing. Keep kicking that foot away, keep lifting, keep rising, don't let that knee open up. That's the beginner version. And then from there, you can shift weight forward into that full dancers. All right, there you have it. That's dancer's pose. So now when you're in a yoga class and your instructor says dancer, you can start to dance. But before you go, let's start talking about something that's extremely important, and that's your balance, especially as you get older. Balance is one of the most important things for people to maintain as we age. You see, as we get older, falling down can become very serious. You know, if you fall down, you can fracture your hip, or you can hit your head, or you can have a life-ending injury that has you in the bed for the rest of your life. And so for that, we have a program, neuro-balance therapy, which will really help you connect your brain with your feet, help you feel more solid, help you feel and walk and move better so you can live a longer and a more full and rich life, doing the things you love for the rest of your days. This is perfect for any of you that are getting up there in age, or if you have any family members that are getting up there in age, this program is for you. Again, that's neuro-balance therapy. You can learn more by clicking that link down below in the pinned comment section. As always, I'm Coach Zach here at Criticalbench. Namaste.